Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have a great announcement from Capgemini. They have started the Pooled Campus Drive 2021. Okay, it's applicable for 2021 batches for the engineering and MCA freshers. Okay, so let's see in detail like what will be the complete steps you have to take care of to be a part of this hiring. So now moving on to the eligibility criteria of the same. So here, yes, this is this. So for last day to register is on 1st of September. So make sure that soon after you watch this video, you complete the registration process. And assessment will get scheduled from the second week of September. Okay. And now coming to the eligibility criteria, that is referred candidate must meet all the following criteria. All these criteria are to be met by all of the candidates who is just applying to this opening. Okay. No eligibility criteria is to be violated. So here should be graduating in 2021 or graduated in 2021, should have 60% and above in diploma graduation, then that is 7th semester. Okay, in the sense for 2021 batches, they might have passed out or they must be doing or they must be waiting for their final semester result. So for them till 7 semesters, all the subjects and all the every scores is to be considered while calculating the aggregate CGPA or aggregate score. Okay, and for ME, MTech or for MCA students, for 5 semesters, you have to probably take into account. Now, no percentage criteria for SSC and HSC scores. That is only in graduation percentage criteria is there. In your schooling, there is no percentage criteria. Qualification will be MCA, MBE, BTech and open for all branches of for both BE and BTech. And ME, MTech students must be only from information technology, information science and computer science. So here, MCA, BE, BTech. For these 3 graduation type, all the streams, all the branches is fine. Okay, 2021 is the batch, but branches, everything is fine. And coming to ME, MTech, the students only from information technology, information science and computer science is to be applied here. Okay, this is the condition only for ME and MTech students. And must have excellent written and spoken communication skills, must be open to relocate to any of the Capgemini locations, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Then open to sign a service agreement level, and candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between education. Then stages considered are 10th, 12th and post-graduation. Candidates should not have any gaps with academic milestone. Then 10th, 12th diploma degree post-graduation must be like 5 years or 4 years to be completed. Then candidates who have taken degree after diploma should not have any gaps between the diploma and degree. Then one more, in case of candidates appeared for 12th more than once, the candidate should be considered provided both the mark sheets available with the candidate. That is, if anybody of you have appeared 2 times for the 12th standard examination, then both of the mark sheets have to be considered. Okay. Now, candidates should have not any backlogs at the time of appearing the process. You should not have anyone. Then only shortlisted candidates will be invited to test assessment or the selection process. So obviously you'll be having a test assessment, online assessment, then interview, then you will be getting offer letter. So only filter students will be getting that opportunities. The entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode. Then they will be, you are completely othered or you are completely responsible for taking for all the guidelines. Okay. Now, date of registration, 23rd of August, we have begun, and at 1st September, it's going to end. And now to register for that, you can go. So now coming to here, you can just see what will be the assessment process, complete step on that. So first, we'll be having a technical assessment, that is pseudocode round. Next, we'll be having a multiple choice question based on English communication. So this is the online assessment process. And after that, game-based aptitude test will be there. Then behavioral competency profiling will be there. Then technical and HR interview. So it is happening in 5 different steps. So this is the complete plan on these steps. Okay, so they have did it in detail, like behavioral profiling module is for understanding the initial profile of the candidate, for which we will share a work style report with the students who complete the module. So you can expect like filtering in the steps. Then yes, this is about this. So now we have already discussed about the eligibility criteria, then about the process, the selection process, the online assessment, various steps of selection process. Now coming to registration process, you can click on the register now button. So registration is accepted by the superset profiles. So if you have already a superset profile, then you can use the same profile to continue it with the same. Here they have mentioned everything, the same things, and here CTC is also mentioned from 3 to 3.8, like LPA is what they are offering. So same eligibility criteria have been here, so you can just click and go through the same and know about the further processing. So here we have to get the mail done, then we'll be moving to the further process. You got it there. You know how a superset profile will be like, right? So we have been registering for the Cognizant, like this Capgemini and so much other company profiles too for the superset. So superset registration is no longer a new thing to you, but still I can help you with the registration step. So first, what we have in the basic details section will be your like primary details, like your mobile number and all your primary details. So you can just fill out all the forms and all the sections and go for the save and next. So next we'll be having the contact details section where you will be doing your filling your contact details. So I have completed it and now we'll be going for save and next. So next we have the contact details. So you have to verify your mail ID. Thereafter you can go like save and next for the same. So here you can see that if you want to change the mail ID, you can change that as well. There is no problem in that. But once verifying, you will receive a mail ID in your email below. Thereafter, you can use the mail ID, the OTP that is sent to your mail ID, and then after do it. Okay. So it is mentioned like during busy hours, the OTP might be delayed for 5 minutes. So I have been trying till a while that I haven't got it. But first time when I just check it is genuine or not, I got it right. I got verified with my mail ID. But in this, while showing to this video, it is delaying a bit, but don't worry at all. Like you will be getting notified when you get the OTP done. So you can get it the same time and after that verify. Okay, so it may take up to some time because registration date is very restricted to time. Only few days left of almost 1 week only time duration for the registration process. So maybe it is because of that everybody is coming up and the server may get down. So that's it. Okay, so don't worry on that. You can try it next time. So I will explain the further process like this without this thing. So you have to give for the permanent address, then placement address, then attach the resume. Then you will be moving on to the current or most recent education. So here you have to give all the details regarding your degree. Then I have mentioned it is applicable for BE, BTech, MCA, then ME and MTech for few branches. ME and BMTech is for few branches. So others, everything is all branch criteria is accepted here. Okay. So you have to give education details, which college you have been, what is the score that you have attained, what is your roll number, university roll number. So all the kind of details you have to mention it here. And to the previous education section, you will have all the details from your 10th, 12th standards. Okay. So in the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned like if you have attended the 12th 2 times, you have to mention both the marks and both the certificate. So something like an aggregate or you can take it up and put it out. So 10th and 12th, you have to give the details. And next, the internship and work experience it is applicable for the freshers, but still if you have been joined some firm and if you have some months of experience, maybe for 2021, it can be. And also for some internships that you have attended, you can give the same thing. Okay, because it's applicable for the freshers. And why there is work experience is for some people who have taken the MCA or MTech after their UG graduation, they have went for some work, and after they have continued their studies, then 2021 they'll be passing out the same. So it is applicable for them. So whichever is applicable for you, you can make it up and ignore the other. And profile photo and documentation. So instructions regarding the photo updation is provided there. Make sure you follow that. All your features must be good, visible enough, and background, go for the plain background. So make sure you have the soft copy of your passport size photo as well. After that, your documents, any documents regarding resume. There is a place to attach your resume here, but still if you haven't made, you can make all those things. Then all done. That's it. So now then you will be submitting your profile for this particular opening. Okay. So this is the complete steps regarding the opening in campus. So yes, Capgemini Campus Drive available. So make sure you do it at the earliest. There is no much time. On the second week of September itself, they will be starting their assessment. So soon after you register for that, make sure you start your preparation. We can help you with our preparation. We have immense materials for that same. Okay, so stay tuned for the further process regarding this all-in assessment, how you have to prepare everything. We'll be putting videos on that. So if you have any further doubts regarding the same on this opening, you can mention it in the comment section. We'll be looking forward for that. So that's all, guys. Until I come up with another video regarding another opportunity, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.